What's up, kid too technical? I'm back again with another video. So today I want to show you how to access and set emojis if you're running Android beta 14 on your Google Pixel. This is the Google Pixel 6 Pro. I also have it running on my Google Pixel Fold. So pretty much all you would need to do is just go into your settings app, go into your wallpaper styles, go into more. As you can see, it says more wallpapers. You want to click on that. Then you want to click on the emoji workshop with the little turtle. Once you're in there, you can add and make these cool little wallpapers for your Google Pixel device that's running on Android 14 beta. So pretty much, let's just get rid of all of this. Let's just use 100 and some fires, and we can set that. But the cool thing about this is you can come in here. It has patterns. You can change the pattern and the color. So first, let's change the pattern. So you can have its own small, like you can have it on even bigger. Then you could go to a little spaced out. Then you could go to sprinkle. Then you can go to prism. So you get, I don't know how to say that name, but you get these. You get all of these choices. If you could read that, I don't want to butcher none of the names. But you get all of these choices here, and you can slide to show it how you want to show this on your phone. And that is really, really cool. But I'm gonna leave it to this right here. I like this one. And then you can come into colors, and you can go through here and change the color of that wallpaper that you want. The color of it. You can do tan and you can do dark, but these are the only colors you can get at the moment. So say we wanted a bright purple. This is what we are looking like, and then you just hit check to save it, and now you have your own little customized wallpaper that you made. Let's hit save wallpaper, set wallpaper, home and lock screen, and now you have a nice little wallpaper on your Pixel device. This is the Google Pixel 6 Pro that I'm currently doing this demonstration on, but I think this is a really cool touch for something a little different. You know, if you don't want a regular wallpaper, you can come in here and go into your settings app and go in here and then play around with that. And as you can see, I had one made earlier, which is just pink. It's pink with 100. It says 100, and it just has fire flames on it. And I can set it, and just like that, it's going to change up, and then I can match the color right here if I wanted to. So I hope you found this video helpful. In the comment section below, let me know if you have been utilizing this feature, this little feature on your Google Pixel 7 Pro or your Google Pixel Fold, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.